Yeah, Giru, bring it out here. Give me a baby. You can bring it out here. I seen it. I just saw it. Yeah.
Player one. Hey. Hey, player one.
Dolly.
Hey, yo. Player one emerge. Hey, Dolly. Oh. Dolly. Where you at, baby? Come on. Meow. 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 What are you doing, baby?
Where you going? Dolly, where?
Uh-oh. They lost interest? Dolly, where is it? Come on, Seeker. Player one. Player one. Where is it? Here. Flashlight. No. That's the challenge. I'll give them some light. But they got it. Unless they're going to mess something up. That's their... Where is it at, guys? I'm going to find it. Here. Assist. Assist. Uh-oh, there it is. Get it, guys. Dolly. Don't you get it closer to the wall. Uh-oh, they're batting over. It's hockey time.
What you got, Dolly? Get it. Can you get it? Get it, girl. You're just being lazy. There's a mouse in the record.
I think the flashlight's messing with them too, but and we're watching them, so they're not going to be it. Dude, I can hear it rolling out there.
I know. Well, really, that's
we got the one show that we were going to get with Dolly freaking out there, and I missed it. I'm going to plug in the video. And she might do some similar freak out, but I don't think we're going to see one like that one. That one was funny. Get it, Dolly. Poor excuse for Black Dahlia. Uh-oh, Giru stole it. He blocked you, Dolly. Uh-oh, Giru got scared. Uh-oh.
Listen, I'm just going to say, I don't give a shit about your feelings. I will wrong about your feelings.
What's the matter, Dolly? Is it out of bounds, doll? Huh? Oh. Out of bounds, baby? Oh, yeah, it's hard for me to get to.
I will raw dog your feelings like a methed out $20 back street prostitute. Hey guys, here's some dating advice. If that girl don't hop to it, you don't need to talk to her.
Yep. Oh, shit.